Hey Python coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be seeing how to create a square using the Python Turtle library. We'll also see how to make a dot in the corners of the square and much more things. So let's get started. So the very first thing is to import the Turtle library as T. Now first let us create a line. So forward and let us say 200 pixels. And then we'll also write main loop so that the screen does not disappear. Now let us run this. So file name is lecture38 and here you go, a line is created with 200 pixels. Okay, so if we want to make a square, either we can rotate it 90 degrees towards right or towards left. So let us rotate it towards left. So for that we will write t dot left 90 and then we'll again say forward by 200 because the square has all its sides equal. So copy this and run. So you can see we have rotated it towards left by 90 and it has moved forward. Now the next thing is you have to rotate it towards left. So this is left and then it will move 90 ahead. So we can copy paste this only. Now if we run this, so you can see if it has gone this, then here, and then it has come here. So now we need to rotate it towards left 90 degree again, and then we need to move it forward. So just have to copy paste this again and let us run this. So you can see a square is formed. So now if we make arrows on all the sides of the square, so what can we do? We can use the stamp t.stamp. So before that, let us just shorten this program. How to write it in a shortened way? So we can use the for loop. So we will write for I in range 4. Why 4? Because there are 4 sides and 4 corners of a square. So what we will do is we'll just copy this and this we will comment. Now let us run this and see if it is fine. So you can see a square with 400 sides is formed. And why is it so? That we need to see. So first we said that t dot forward 200. So let us see one by one. So it's a t dot forward 200. Okay, and then it says 90 degree. Okay, and then forward 200. And then again it moved forward 200. So that is the problem. So for this, if we just comment this and try, so let us see. So we can see a square is formed here. So you can understand the multiple ways we can write the program and how to debug it. Okay, so let us just remove this and use the stamp. So if we say here t dot stamp, just run it and you can see all the arrows is formed. So we can see first this side was made, then it went here, and then this, and then this. Okay, if you want to make dots in the corners of the square instead of this stamp, we comment this. We'll write t dot dot, t dot dot, or maybe 5. We can set the value. So you can see this square with dots on the vertices or the corners. We can even change the color of the sides, increase its width, or even fill the square with a particular color. You can just use those functions which we used in our last video while making the triangle. So that was all for this video. Stay tuned with us for more such videos. Happy coding!